you still short is the question I keep getting asked. Yes, I'm still short. Like, all of this just confirms it. Okay, so hear me out. I want to be bullish on the market, but the truth is, look at our financial system and look at the stresses. Look at the contagion. Look at how everybody wants to say, oh no, it's just contained to these few banks. There's no big deal. People I know in banking and in the investing world, VC, PE groups, they say it's contained. But the problem is the intricacies of everybody invested in everybody else, or assets being passed around, kind of like the 2008 financial crisis. Now, a lot of people are going to criticize and say it's different this time. Yes, it's a different year. Yes, it's a different situation to some extent. But the truth of the matter is it comes down to one fundamental thing. The financial system is under stress and breaking. Why? It really doesn't matter what it is, in my opinion. The point is, this is showing that there are major underlying issues, and then it's straight to bailout mode. This is going to continue until finally there isn't enough to bail it out. This will probably turn around and be another decade bull run. Who knows? But that's exactly why I invest long term, but I day trade what's there. Puts on the day that it's down, calls on the day that it's up. Let the charts tell you. If you haven't checked out my greed strategy, check it out. It breaks down how I use just a few indicators in coordination to attempt to catch and scalp a trade. And my goal is in 10, 15 minutes, sometimes a couple hours. That's how I do it. Anyways, comment down below. What do you think? Are we on the precipice of a Fed pivot turning around a massive bull run? Or is this just the beginning of the breakdown to maybe about the 300 range like I was guessing, not too long ago? Anyways, hope to see you again real soon. Bye.